In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Drive download progress. Google Drive doesn't always show a clear progress bar, especially inside the Drive app, so it can feel uncertain whether a big file is still downloading or if it's stalled. The good news is that you can reliably check progress depending on how you download, and the best method is to use a desktop web browser. When you download from Google Drive in Chrome or Edge, watch the bottom of your browser window. As soon as the download starts, a small panel appears there showing the file name along with live details, the percentage completed, the total file size, and an estimate of the time remaining. This readout updates continuously while the transfer is in progress, so you can see exactly how fast things are moving and roughly how long you have left. If you don't immediately see the panel, look for the browser's download indicator and open it. The same details will be visible. This browser view is the only reliable way to see full, accurate progress from start to finish when you're pulling files from Google Drive. If you prefer a quick confirmation or you want a second way to verify, check your Downloads folder on your computer. Open your File Manager, File Explorer on Windows or Finder on macOS, and go to the Downloads folder. The moment the download begins, the file appears there. Keep an eye on the size column for that file. If the number keeps increasing, the download is still in progress. Depending on your system, you may also notice a temporary extension on the file name while it's downloading. That simply indicates the browser is still writing data. Once the size stops growing and the temporary tag disappears, the download has finished. If your Downloads folder is crowded, sort by date modified so the most recent item appears at the top, making it easier to find and watch. To recap, for the clearest, most detailed progress information, initiate the download in a browser like Chrome or Edge and monitor the built-in progress panel at the bottom of the window. When you just need to confirm that data is still coming in, open your Downloads folder and verify that the file size is actively increasing. With these two checks, you'll always know whether a Google Drive download is moving along as expected or has completed, even when the Drive app itself doesn't show a clear progress bar.